Hi everyone, it's Nathan, your favorite tutorial maker, and we're back today as a follow-up to our first video on NiceHash. This time we'll go in depth through all the steps on how to actually place an order on the platform. So get ready, here we go. Step 1. Create an account and make a deposit. Obviously, the first thing you need to place an order on NiceHash is to create an account, so if you haven't done that already, go for it. Once your account is ready, you'll need to deposit Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency compatible with the NiceHash wallet. So that can be like Ether, Ripple, Litecoin, Stellar, Dash L, so whatever you want, or have, of course. But keep in mind that you can only place orders on NiceHash using Bitcoin. So if you have any other currency, you will need to use NiceHash exchange to convert it into Bitcoin. And also you can withdraw the funds you add on NiceHash whenever you want, and that's pretty cool. Step 2, choose a coin. So I'm not gonna lie, if you're watching this tutorial, you probably already know which coin you want to mine on NiceHash. But if you don't, well, it's up to you. You can mine a coin because it's profitable right now, or because you think it will be profitable later. All that matters is that you kinda know where you're going. Step 3, Cruxpool. Before placing an order, you will need to register Cruxpool as your preferred pool, because we're the coolest and the nicest pool operators around. For that, you need to go to the HashPower Marketplace tab and select My Pools, and then click on Add a New Pool. As the pool custom name, you can put Cruxpool, then the algorithm depends on the coin you want to mine with our pool. If you want to mine Ethereum or Ethereum Classic, you need to put Dagger Hashimoto. And if you want to mine Beam, you need to select Beam V3. The host names can then be found in the description of this video, depending on the coin as well as the ports. As a username, put your wallet address, and on Cruxpool, as you don't need a password, you can write X in the password field. Click on Save Pool and we're good to go. Step 4, placing an order. So if you click on the Marketplace tab, you will access this screen, which allows you to place orders on the EU or NA market. So there are two types of orders on NiceHash. First, you have the fixed order, which has a fixed price and a set hash rate power. And then you have the standard order, which is based on a system of bids. Basically, you can bid a certain amount of a currency on an order. And if someone bids more than you, then you have to find another deal. So once you know which type of order you want, there are 3 important parameters to look at. First, the price. This is not the price that you will pay, but the price to get your place on the marketplace. In a fixed order, the price is automatically set by the platform, and in a standard order, you can adjust the price continuously depending on other users' bids. Second, the limit. This is where you set the bottom and upper limits of your hash rate speed. For a fixed order, this value cannot be unlimited, and the minimum and maximum are indicated right below the frame. But for a standard order, you can enter 0 to set it as unlimited. Finally, the amount, which states the amount of bitcoins you are willing to pay for the order, which will determine the duration of your order. It can go up to 10 days for a standard order, and fixed orders are capped to 24 hours only. So once these 3 parameters are set, you can place your order on the market. And also note that you can decide to stop your order at any time without spending the entire amount that was set initially. Step 5, track your hash rate. If everything went right, you should see a panel like this with all the details of your order available. You can track in real time how much you are making and some various information about the pool, the network, and more. So that's it for today. I hope this small NiceHash breakdown will help you place your first order if you are not already familiar with the service. Don't hesitate to ask us questions in the comments or directly on our social networks like Twitter, Facebook, Discord, or Reddit. We'll be super happy to help you out. Also, if you enjoy our video content, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to always expand the love we have for cryptocurrencies. Take care, guys.